Hey everyone, it's Pam. I just want to know if you guys have seen the new gradients in the colors. I have not. I don't know how long they've been here, but I am pretty impressed. So let's go ahead and let's go see what they're about and that you can see them. I'm just going to do a custom size. Let's just do 1,000 by 1,000. I don't plan on using it for anything except for showing you guys. I move me around here. Okay, so colors. We're going to go just background color like that. Okay, I'm going to go up here and I'm going to scroll down. Now, I never, I'm pretty sure I have, but did you guys see all of the default solid colors now? Now, this is where I'm talking about. See where it says default gradient colors? Let's go ahead and click on that. And we have some cool tones, warm tones, monochromatic tones, all gradients. But look at down here. This is what I'm talking about. Right here. Wow. These are cool for promos, all that. But yeah, there are some exciting ones. And also, if you click on that, click on one, and we're going to go back. We're going to click on that color, and you can come up here, click on it, and you can change out the colors. Like if we wanted to put white, we can do that. We can switch out what it looks like, the style part of it. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So I just wanted to share that with you guys that, check out the default gradient colors. I'm loving, I'm loving that. There's some really nice ones here too. Now, also, speaking of gradients, if you want to design your own gradients, there is an app. Let's see here. Let's go ahead. I'll show you. There's a couple apps actually. So there's gradients. I've not tried the B gradient one. This is one that I work with a lot, the gradient generator, mesh gradient, all these apps. Let's see what this one is since I haven't really played with it. Let's see. Elevate your coloring. Okay, okay. Let's try it. Let's try it. I like they have like these things. Okay. All right. Background color. Let's go this color. All right. Okay, didn't do the background color. Oh, maybe, oh, that's why, because I didn't hit apply. Okay. All right. I mean, don't mind if I do, right? Don't mind. All right. Well, there you go.